Alright guys, Dodge Charger right here, '07 to 2012. I've been working on the front, driver's side, and the back on this faulty ABS right here. That light, we're gonna be dive into that, and I'm gonna be working here as well. I got the wheel all up in the air. We're gonna do some diagnose testing, so let's go check this out. All right, so you see that I got an ABS light right there. I got the Autel MK9082. I got the code right here. You can see active status on the left rear speed sensor circuit. Okay, that's the code. It's not going away. Trying to delete it, it's not going away. So let's go on the live data right here. Let's go check it out. All right, I got the key on, engine off, and let's go check this out. Let's go at the back. All right, we're at the back of the vehicle. I got this thing jacked up. Now it's up in the air. You can see I can spin it like that. So this is how it's gonna test it out. You can see that rear right wheel is spinning, and you see that voltage. That means this side is good. That's the quickest way to test. Okay, you got that voltage going on right there. And then let's try the one on the left rear. This is the one where that codes that come up. You're gonna have to spin it like this. So it's spinning, guys, and nothing right there on the rear left, nothing voltage. So it's spinning the wheel, and you can see there's nothing, there's no input. It's nothing, it's zero at all. See, nothing. So next step will be, some people will do is they're probably gonna change the sensor on this, and actually that's what I did. there's a brand new sensor, so I put a brand new sensor and still nothing. So it's gonna be a wiring for sure on this one. It's gonna be a wiring issue. So next step we're gonna do is I'm gonna unplug. This is the black wire here. This is the sensor wire. This is the one that goes to the wheel, and this is to the body, to the ABS system. So just unplug that. Same thing with this one, unplug. All right, so next step, what I'm gonna do, just grab a whole bunch of jumper wires and leads, okay? And female connector right here, just a female leads. So what I'm gonna do is, we know that this is a brand new sensor. So I'm gonna connect that sensor on this side, going to the harness, body harness on this side. And when we spin the wheel, the input on that sensor, it will go right here, and it will read on my scan tool, but it will be reading on a right-hand rear. That's the test we're gonna do. So I'm gonna rig out my harness right here, and then I'll show you after. All right, so pretty much this is the bridge right here. So sensor output going to the bridge, and then going to the harness, going to the ABS control module up in the front, and then we're gonna monitor this thing down. Let's see if we get any reading. So technically, if I spin this one, it's not gonna do anything, disconnect. So if I spin the one on this side, and look at that. And look at that reading. Wow, those are beautiful. So we got input. This sensor is working because we got input right there. So that means that the harness, the body harness from this side going to the body control module, there's a break, it's open. So we're gonna be chasing this harness from here going to the front. This side is good. So we're gonna disconnect all this. Let's start chasing the wire from the left rear all the way to the front, and then so on. All right, so this green wire right here looks like a green with blue stripe, and then green with black stripe. So that wire, it goes all the way down here, under right here, all the way to the front. The fender runs right here. Right here, there's a wire loom right there. It goes all the way behind the headlight, all the way by the shock tower, and there was the ABS control module right there, the ABS motor right there, and valve. And this is the harness right here at the end of that wire. This is the harness right there. So that's the route of this harness. Shock tower behind the headlight, across the rad support, go underneath the fender, behind the dash, driver's side, underneath the sill plate, and then all the way behind the door right here, and then comes out right there. So we're gonna test that wire. We're gonna do a continuity each of the wire. So let's get started. All right, guys, I'll show you my setup right here. So just grab a male end connector right here. I just kind of tap it on the existing harness. Okay, probe it in there, those two wires. So it will come out right here on this side, and then I got alligator clamps, extend the wire all the way to the front right here. So we're just gonna go with the red wire first. Red wire is tap into the back is the green with a blue stripe. I got the multimeter on continuity. It's gonna beep if the circuit is closed. It won't beep if it's open. You're gonna have to take out this seal plate right here. Same thing on the front right there. Take it out so that this whole harness right here is exposed. It's really nice because they put them both together right here. They all twisted together. This is the one for that ABS speed sensor harness right there. Green with blue and green with black stripe. So first let's do the green with blue. So you can see I got my multimeter, black leads on that connector, and then the red leads right here with a T-pin. I'm gonna probe this harness right here. All right, so this is the wire right here, the green with blue stripe. There we go. That's good. That means that this wire is good. It's connected from here all the way to the back of the vehicle to the sensor. So next, let's test the other wire, the green with black stripe. So we have to move our leads here to the other one, this blue one right here, just like that. Okay, all the way down here. And let's test the other one, green with black stripe. Green with black. Here we go. All right, that wire is good as well. So it beep. It's a closed circuit. So the wire from the driver's side all the way to the back is a good wire. So this side is good. Let's move on all the way to the front. I'm gonna test this side all the way to the front and find out where the break of that wires are.